To share your Surfshark subscription with family, you can use the feature that allows multiple device connections under a single account. Surfshark supports unlimited simultaneous connections, meaning you can share it with family members without any extra charge. Here's how you can do it. Share account login credentials. Simply provide your Surfshark login to your family members. Each person can log in on their own devices, such as smartphones, laptops, or smart TVs, using the same credentials. Install Surfshark on devices. Each family member should install Surfshark on their devices. The app is available for Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Linux, and browser extensions. To install, search for Surfshark in your respective device's app store, or go to the Surfshark website to download the app. Connect to servers. After logging in, your family members can connect to any server location of their choice. Surfshark offers over 65 countries to choose from. Use additional features. You can also share extra features like camouflage mode, multi-hop, and whitelister for customized protection.